how to delete Facebook conversations from both sides. So if you want to delete some conversations from both sides, then first of all, open up your Facebook Messenger application. And after opening your Messenger, now you can simply go and choose any one of that chat. And then, for example, I'll be choosing this like, right? Or you can also type any message that you would like. And after typing that message, now if you want to remove that message from both the conversations, like on your mobile and on the other person's mobile, then you can simply tap on hold that chat, and here you will have more option on the bottom right. Simply tap on that and then tap on remove, and here you will have two options. One is unsend and another one is remove for you. If you tap on unsend, then the message will be removed for you and for the other person from both the conversations. But if you tap on remove for you, then the message will be removed only on your mobile. So to do that, you can simply tap on unsend, but unsent messages are removed from the conversation, but they may still be included in the conversation if they have reported that. If they have reported, then your unsent message can be seen by them. And tap on OK, and that's it. That's how you remove the message. So you can't remove all of the messages at once, you have to do that individually. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.